coming soon.
Good evening, you watching the 6 p.m. Prime. I'm Gaurav Sawant. Breaking news coming in. 27 former top cops have written a letter to the President of India. They've written a letter to the President of India seeking immediate action of what the top cops of this country, 27 former top cops of this country, believe is intentional and planned security lapse by the Punjab government, hand in glove, according to these former top police officers, with so-called protesters in the state of Punjab during the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Punjab on the 5th of January 2022. India Today has accessed that letter, and I want to show our viewers this letter that India Today has accessed. Now, these police officers in this letter, and 27 of them, have written to the President saying immediate action needs to be taken for what they call is intentional and planned security lapse by the Punjab government, hand in glove with so-called protesters in Punjab during the visit of the Prime Minister. They are saying we are former police officers who've devoted our lives to serve people in different capacities across the country, and they say that this security lapse needs to be taken very, very seriously. What they're saying is the gravity of the incident and its national and international repercussions have forced them to approach the President. The stoppage of the Prime Minister's carcade for 15 to 20 minutes, and that's an extremely serious point that they're raising. The stoppage of the carcade of the Prime Minister of the country for 15 to 20 minutes in a planned manner on a flyover demonstrate poor law and order in Punjab and threatens democracy in our country. The Prime Minister was scheduled to visit Punjab on the 5th of January to pay tributes at the National Martyrs Memorial at Hussainiwala and attend other programs. Now remember, these are former top cops, so they know the law, they know SOPs or standard operating procedures that need to be followed, both by the SPG, the Special Protection Group that protects the Prime Minister, and the state police that's supposed to provide that envelope of protection. And they are saying the MHA provided, the Prime Minister of the country is provided SPG security as per settled protocol, wherein the MHA coordinates with the state police, which is primarily responsible for the travel and security within the state, and has to provide secure passage on all routes and roads as per settled SOPs. They're also going in detail to talk about how there were clear violations that took place at various other instances. Of course, the Punjab police has defended its action. The Punjab government, Charanjit Singh Channi, the Chief Minister of Punjab, insists that there were no lapses. India Today spoke to Charanjit Singh Channi. Let's listen in.